Today, I wanted to talk about a very important database when analyzing US immigration options for private clients. And that database is called the Visa Reciprocity Schedule. This is a database that sets policy regarding visa issuance in three important areas. The first is how long US visas are valid for. The second is whether those visas can be used for just one or multiple entries, and the number of entries that the visa can be used for. And the third is the requirements related to additional fees or additional documents that are required for the visa to actually be issued. So three very important areas that can really impact how we look at different visa options on behalf of our clients. The Visa Reciprocity Schedule is maintained and updated by the Visa Office, which is a part of the Bureau of Consular Affairs in Foggy Bottom here in Washington, D.C. And the Bureau of Consular Affairs is a sub-agency of the Department of State. And we're seeing that changes and updates are happening to the Visa Reciprocity Schedule with greater frequency, A, and B, that it's more of a top-down policy setting from the White House. We're seeing the Visa Reciprocity Schedule be used as almost a diplomatic lever to put pressure on other countries or respond to things that the United States thinks isn't in its best interest from other countries by reducing the number of times that a particular visa can be used to enter the United States, reducing the validity period of visas, and maybe making visa issuance more burdensome by requiring more fees and more nuanced documentation. So very important database, very important tool to understand and to try to stay ahead of. Changes can happen very frequently and very important to keep in mind when looking at different options on behalf of private clients, especially because the policy regarding validity period and how often you're actually going to be able to use this visa one day may not be the same the next day. Important caveat, we typically don't see negative changes impacting clients who already have their visas issued. So if, for example, a client has an E2 visa that's already been issued last year, this year there's a change to the validity period. It goes from, say, 4 years down to 1 year. That's not going to be applied retroactively to our client. But still, very important database to stay ahead of.